All right, guys, time for another delicious, nutritious drink. I'm going to be juicing some golden beets, some turmeric, strawberry, celery, red pepper, and the green apple is optional. I'm not going to juice it, but you could. Now, I want to tell you again, I've mentioned before in some of my other videos, kind of my strategy to juicing. A lot of people say, well, what about the fiber? You're losing the fiber. Why not just eat it and get all the fiber? Well, I call juicing a no-lose scenario when it comes to fiber. Because if you're eating lots of plant foods like I do, lots of vegetables and fruits and all these things, then losing the fiber from a glass of juice is not going to be significant in the scope of things because you're eating so many plants. And if you're not eating a lot of fruits and vegetables and a lot of plant materials with a lot of fiber, well, then you need to be juicing to get those nutrients that you're not getting because you're not eating the fruits and the vegetables. So it's a no-lose scenario. If you're getting lots of fiber, you're not going to miss it. If you're not getting lots of fiber, then you're not getting these antioxidants that are included with it. So this juice is actually beneficial for you because you're not eating it. So it's a no-lose scenario, in my opinion. All right, now, as far as sweetening things, people say, well, it's a lot of sugar. You're just pulling out the sugar. I, purposefully use particular things to sweeten my juices, right? So I don't make juices that are just fruits, like just fruit juices. Here and there, I'll do something like a pomegranate or a berry, but those are low sugar fruits. But you'll see me sweetening my juices typically with a green apple, because of all the apples out there, the green apple is one of the lowest in sugar content. So it's a great way to sweeten things, and you're still getting the antioxidants and the minerals. Beets I often use, and then berries. Occasionally carrots, but most of the time I sweeten things with a green apple, beets, or berries because of the added benefit of the berries helping to prevent the blood spikes, and then the apples being low in sugar and the beets being super healthy. So this is what I'm putting together today. This is going to be a delicious drink. I've had it before. Let's do it.
All right, so you know the MO here. We're just going to cut some of our larger vegetables into smaller pieces. And the beauty of the Auto10 here is that you don't have to cut it much. Minimal prep, and then you just put it in like I'm doing here. Here I'm throwing in some turmeric as well. I like to add turmeric to anything I can because it's just so healthy, as I'm sure most of you know. And then I press the button and I just stand back and wait in the background, and voila, just like that, I've got a cup of fresh juice.
That looks good. Tastes good too.